Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to be anonymous in Google Sheets. This is particularly useful when you want to collaborate on a document without revealing your identity, whether for privacy reasons or when working with external contributors who don't need to know who you are. To get started, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with anonymously. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. From here, simply click on the spreadsheet you want to configure for anonymous editing. This will open the file in a new tab where you can begin making the necessary adjustments to the sharing settings. Now here's the key part. Before anyone can edit your spreadsheet anonymously, you need to make sure the document is set to anyone with link in the sharing settings. This is what allows people to access and edit the file without being identified by their Google account name. Without this setting enabled, all collaborators will appear with their account names visible. To change this, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Share button. This will open up a dialog box showing your current sharing permissions and access settings. In the dialog box that appears, locate the section labeled General Access. If it currently shows Restricted, click on it to change the setting. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with different access options. From these options, select Anyone with Link. This ensures that anyone who has the link can open the spreadsheet without needing special permission. Next, you'll notice a drop-down menu right beside the Access setting. Click on this drop-down and change it to Editor. This step is crucial because it gives anyone with the link the ability to make changes to the document, not just view it. Without editor access, anonymous users wouldn't be able to contribute. Once you've made these changes, click on Copy Link at the bottom of the sharing dialog. This copies the shareable URL to your clipboard, which you'll use to test the anonymous access feature. Now open a new browser window. This is where you'll simulate being an anonymous user. Paste the link you just copied into the address bar and press Enter. You should see the spreadsheet open without being prompted to log in. Try typing anything into a cell in this new window. Go ahead and make some edits so you can see how anonymous editing works in real time. Now go back to the original window where your account is logged in. Look at the top right corner of the spreadsheet and you'll notice something interesting. There's now someone editing the file with an anonymous name, something like anonymous animal or a random identifier. This confirms that your settings are working correctly and that users can indeed collaborate without revealing their identity. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Google Sheet to allow anonymous editing. This setup is perfect for public collaborations, feedback forms, or any situation where you want to maintain contributor privacy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.